How to see your Instagram sticker responses. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can find out the Instagram sticker responses. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the Instagram application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. From your home page, navigate to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile icon. Under your profile, tap on the three-line icon at the top right. And from your settings and activities, scroll down and onto the section that is how you use your Instagram, tap on your activity. Under your activity, again under interactions, tap on sticker responses. Now in this page, whenever you have replied to someone else's sticker, that will show up here. So in this way, you can see your Instagram sticker responses. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.